Hey YouTube, RC Lego guy here. Just want to discuss the weak point in the new Slow Ultra Stick. It's this carbon fiber landing gear. You can see that it's really thin, doesn't take much abuse. Good news is the part is in stock. Just got the new one, so I'm flying again. You'll see the video in a second. But it's $12, very cheap, but I may need to make some modifications because I can see this breaking very often. So just a heads up for you guys that may want to buy this plane or have this plane, that this is definitely the weak point in this plane.